AZ Solutions brings you how to reveal formulas. Sometimes when we have some formulas, we just need to study how we got there. Rather than clicking on each individual cell and having a look at the formula in the formula bar, you can go to the Formulas tab, press Show Formulas, and it will reveal the formulas for the entire sheet. You can click Show Formulas again to hide, or you can hold down Control and the tilde key. That's the key above the Tab key or below the Escape key. You click it once to activate, click it again to hide. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions.